Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. Welcome to my YouTube station. I don't get dressed up. I just shoot these videos really as I am. I've got about 2,000. A lot of them are public service, so I try to fill you in on what you need to know. Anyway, I am a former IRS agent. On my team, I have tax attorneys, CPAs, enrolled agents. I have been doing this for 50 years. I am a national expert in IRS resolution matters. I taught the offer and compromise program when I was at Internal Revenue Service. Peter Salinger and myself are probably the two most leading authorities for offers and compromise. So I just wanted you to know, I'm going to just give you a couple of tips about offers and compromise today. In accepting offers and compromise and rejecting offers and compromise, what most people need to do is you need to write a cover letter on your offer. Most of you know, if you're submitting an offer or want to learn about an offer, the two things me as a former IRS agent that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at two aspects of your offer. I'm going to put a telescope on your assets, see what the value is, and I put a telescope on your income and your expenses. Once I go ahead and I do that, I'll formulate how much your offer is going to be, because there's a particular formula. You can call me if you want, or you can go on the IRS free tool pre-qualifier and find out yourself. It's not really accurate, but it's close enough. So I just want you to know, if you're filing an offer, a couple things. You got to put a cover letter, no more than a page and a half. Why? When I reviewed offers, I got a stack of offers. Oh my God, one and the other and the other and the other. Want to get a cover letter on top of that offer? Wow, it's really cool. It's like I'm learning about the case, but I want to know more in the cover letter. I want to know more about the person. I want to know why they're in the predicament. Did you have a medical problem? Did you have a history of something? I want to know. I want you to lightly sell me on why you need an offer and compromise. Do not do that, and therefore the agents looking at the case, they all just blend in. You come back from break after reviewing offers and you don't even know the case. You try to put it aside, but you've looked at so many and you're working so many, that cover letter will set you apart from everybody else. But remember, IRS wants to know. Oh, another thing I need to tell you is this: if you have equity in your assets that will pay the tax, don't file the offer. IRS is going to accept it. Many people call me today. They want to file an offer. They have $200,000 equity in their house. They owe IRS 120. They want to settle the debt. You can't settle your debt. You must give IRS what your total equity is, and if you can pay the tax, they're not going to accept it. Two other things: make sure all your tax returns are filed. IRS will reject the offer. Also, make sure that unestimate tax payments or withholding, or they'll go ahead and reject the offer. All those tax returns have to be on the system. If you really want to get the lowest offer, you really have to know the offer formula and what that's going to mean to you. So if you're going to hire someone, if you don't hire us, that's fine, but I want you to know this: only speak to an attorney, a CPA, or an enrolled agent. Why? Really important, really, really important. Those are the only people that can represent you in front of Internal Revenue Service. Many people see these ads, they make knee-jerk reactions, they think they're talking to a professional. They're talking really no more to a skilled salesperson. Make sure you're speaking to one of the three. Ask them their credentials when they call. We're always available for a consultation. Like I said, this is my firm. On my firm, I have tax attorneys, a couple of them, two or three actually. I have CPAs, enrolled agents. There's nobody that does offers and compromise like I don't think anyone has worked as many offers as Peter Salinger and myself. Anyway, if you have a question, you're welcome to call me. You can leave me with a comment. Thank you so very much. I appreciate it. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you very much.